Hello BCC student, welcome to Math 1. Last time I gave you data. I gave you some data and you turn them to equation. This data came from dropping an object from the height h to the ground and you turn them to an equation. You realize that when an object falls at each and every second, distance increases quadratically. Okay, so you turn them to an equation. You also collected the data by understanding that at each and every second, object changes the speed, and you use linear increasing to model that behavior. So in sum, you turn the data table to an equation last time. This time I'm going to flip the problem. I'm going to, instead of 3 tables of data, I'm going to give you 3 equations. Equation number 1 is distance is equal to 5t square. What does that mean? That means Professor Berry drove an object from distance from above the ground. So this is the ground. So Professor Berry drove an object from above the ground and the object is falling, and you're going to use these to collect some data. First you're going to find the distance with respect to the time. The second equation, you're going to find the velocity with respect to the time. Then you're going to find the acceleration with respect to the time. You're probably going to want to see at 0 second what happened, at 1 second what happened, at 2 second what happened, alright, and so on, to figure out whether I drop an object on the earth, on the moon, or on the Mars. Okay, did I drop this object from the earth, which is acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, on the moon, which is acceleration due to gravity is 1.6, or on the Mars, which is acceleration due to gravity is 3.7. Okay, so do this verification like a detective. You have to do it using investigation, and I give you tools. Tool number 1, tool number 2. I did not give you the tool number 2, sorry, 10t. Tool number 2 and tool number 3. Alright, so I give you 3 tools. Tool number 1, tool number 2, and tool number 3. You're going to use these 3 tools to verify whether Professor Berry drove the object from the earth, or from the moon, or from the Mars. Good luck.